Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture, we'll show you how to calculate material takeoff for plumbing services. So here you can see this is our ground floor plan. I have opened the drawing in 3D. This is our shaded view. Here we have run the plumbing services, means the cold water supply pipe, hot water supply pipe, hot water returns, okay, soil pipe, waste pipe. So it is not visible from here, but when I've just opened the wireframe, now you can see here different types of fixtures is given. Can you see the wash basin? Okay, so we are supplying cold domestic cold water to the each and every wash basin, and hot water also we are supplying to each and every wash basin. Okay, see, now this is our water supply system. Now in drainage system also, see, we are taking the waste or whatever water will coming from the wash basin or from the flow drain, that water we are collecting into waste pipe, and the wastewater which is coming from the water closet and urinal, that will run into the soil pipe. Okay, so from here I am just opening the floor plan. See, this is our ground floor plan. Here can you see the different types of water closet. So whatever the sewage and wastewater coming from this water closet, that will run into the soil pipe. See, when I am selecting this pipe, you can see here the name is written. Can you see the size of that pipe? Everything 4-inch size, and in system type it is written. It is actually soil pipe. Okay, so soil pipe, here in this pipe generally the wastewater which is coming from the water closet and urinal, that will run into the soil pipe. Now when you see here one more pipe we have taken, this is also a soil pipe. Now see, here we have one pipe. This is our vent pipe. It is written vent. Okay, and here the green color which we are supplying, so this is the water supply pipe, that is called as a cold water supply pipe. Red color pipe is a domestic hot water supply, and this one is the vent pipe. Okay, so now here our main target is to find out the cold water supply, hot water supply, soil pipe, vent pipe, whatever types of pipe which we are using in our complete project. Our main target to find out the takeoff quantity of that pipe. Okay, how to prepare BOQ? So for that, analyze tab, report and schedule, hit on schedule or quantity. From the category, first as I told you, in filter, make sure the mechanical and piping is selected, because you have here you are calculating the takeoff quantity for pipes, so make sure the piping is selected from here. Now in category also you can write down pipes, so you will get directly here. See, here from the list, can you see the pipe is given? First I will show you for pipes, then pipe fittings also, pipe accessories, whatever you can find out the takeoff quantity of pipe fitting also. So first select the pipe. Here I am writing pipe takeoff quantity. So whatever types of pipe we are using in our project, plumbing project, that quantity you will get here. Okay, pipe takeoff quantity, I have given the name. Now hit on OK. Now here in the schedule which you are creating, what you want to see, so all of you know, first the family is important, which type of family it is. So family, add it in the schedule. Then size of pipe, so select the size from the available field, add it. Next, length of that pipe, if it is needed, just add it. Now count, how many numbers? Count is not important actually, here the cost is important. Okay, because it is a pipe. Length is enough because the pipe is available as per. So these are the 4 parameters I have just added. Hit on OK. Now you can see here in the families, pipe type is written, but which type of pipe it is not given. So okay, so there is no needed to add family, just remove it. Here we have to add, see, from here select insert. Here system abbreviation is important. Okay, just select it, add it. I want the system abbreviation first, so select that system abbreviation. From here move parameter up. First system abbreviation, size, length, cost, that is enough. Okay, now let's see. In system abbreviation you can see the pipe, which type of pipe you are using. Like cold water supply pipe, their size is written 1 inch, total length is given. Okay, same way hot water written pipe size and everything. And in your project if you are running some other pipe like soil pipe, that is also given. DS is your soil pipe, DV vent pipe. Then next different types of pipe is, okay, so these are the pipe which we are using. DW waste pipe it is. Okay, okay, so here you can do the setting also. For example, sorting and grouping, hit on edit. I want to sort by system abbreviation. Here I want to see the system abbreviation in header. If you want footer, just and check the blank line. Now you can see here in header you will get the cold water supply, so different types of cold water supply. Now when you scroll down, for hot water return pipe, see this is DS, this is your soil pipe, different diameters and their total length is given. For vent pipe, so here we have sorted by system abbreviation. Next thing, again hit on this sorting or grouping, edit, then sort by size. I want to see size in header, footer. Here just select total only, blank line. Okay, now can you see here in the header only you will get the cold water supply and 1 inch pipe, how much you are available, that you will get from here. If you have some different diameter pipe, half inch diameter cold water supply pipe, 2 inch diameter cold water, because in our project different diameter pipe we are using. Okay, so here, okay, once you will get the system abbreviation and size in the header, so don't need to see that here in this row. So in formatting, hit on edit, select the system abbreviation and size, just hidden field. Okay, now see that is height. Now 1 inch cold water supply pipe, how much total quantity, because length already it is written, but total length I want to see, and the cost. So in formatting, just hit on length and cost. Here you have to select the calculate total. Okay, now can you see here, it means in our project we have cold water supply pipe 1 inch diameter, how much total length, 267 feet total length pipe. Now cost you will get based on the market price, you have to enter the cost in dollar or in rupees. Next, half inch pipe diameter pipe we have 37 near about, but see here the unit is showing in feet and inches, so it is difficult to identify. So no problem, what you can do, you can use the UN command. From here first close it. If you don't want this feet and fractional, inches and fractional, UN, type UN. Here length, hit on that. See the unit is given in feet and fractional inches. From here just select only feet. You want to see the symbol, just write down unit symbol, feet. Okay, okay. Now already I have told you, once you have created the schedule, pipe takeoff quantity schedule, so just open it from the right side. Now you can see the total, only the length is showing in feet, 268 feet. Half inch diameter pipe cold water 37, 2 inch cold water supply pipe 400 feet. So in this way you will get the things, total pipe quantity. For vent pipe, different diameter vent pipe if you are using in your project, as per that. See for waste pipe. Okay, so it is very simple. In this way we have to calculate the pipe takeoff quantity. Now from here I am just closing. Now let's say, okay, for pipe we have discussed whatever pipe. Now here pipe fittings also we are using. For example, this is our, all of you know, the Y joints and different types of fitting which we are using. So if you want to find out the pipe fitting takeoff, so same, analyze, schedule and quantity. Here now you have to search the pipe fittings like this. Okay, pipe fitting schedule, let's say. Okay, now what, first thing, system abbreviation, not family is important here in fitting. Write down the family and then size. Okay, I have added the size. After that count, how many fittings we have, and then finally cost. This 4 parameter is important. Hit on OK. Now you can see the different types of fitting. Just drag it. Their diameter and count is given. Just sort it by family. So hit on sorting or grouping, sorted by family, header, blank line. Okay. Okay. See here generally we have a bend PVC schedule 40 DWV, their diameter, and next type of fitting we are using in our project, elbow. Okay, so different size of elbow is also there. It is given that diameter. Next PVC schedule 40 plug, reducers, T fittings. Okay, different types, sanitary T fittings, whatever fitting you are using. So everything is written. Now one more thing, just sort by, hit on sorting and grouping, sort by size. Okay, header, footer, in footer total only, blank line. Okay, now see here you will get. Now just hide this one. In formatting, select the family and size, hidden field. Okay, now see here we have bend PVC schedule 40 for drainage. Their size is given here. Okay, 1 by 4 inch, but here I want to see the total quantity. So in formatting, count and cost, just from the list select calculate total. Okay, now you can see 44 quantity. Same way when you go here, elbow, we have elbow also in our project, so their quantity and their size is written here. 73 half inch elbow we have. Okay, same way plugs, reducers, their quantity is written, and price based on the market here you have to write down the market price or manufacturer quotation, whatever you have got from the manufacturer, so you will get the total cost. Okay, so this is for fitting. Now let's say in our project, here we are, you want to find out the takeoff quantity, this plumbing fixture takeoff quantity, like water closet, wash basin, total how much plumbing fixture we have. So same, in analyze, report and schedule, hit on schedule or quantity. From here, now from the category, and make sure here plumbing and piping is selected. Now here plumbing, where is plumbing fixtures? Here plumbing equipment is also there, but we are talking about plumbing fixtures. Under name I have written plumbing fixture takeoff quantity or schedule, whatever, just you can write down. Okay, now first in plumbing fixture, what is important here? Family. Okay, just add it. Then next means which type of fixture it is, so I have written family. Now count. Okay, and then I think directly cost. This 3 thing is important. Okay, now you can see, and even sorry, here you can also add, just select this column, insert it. If you want to add the level, you can add it. In ground floor, how many fixtures you have. Okay, in first floor, so okay, as per that also. So in the ground floor only we have, see, water closet, which type, flush wall type, wall mounted, their quantity is written. So what I am doing here, just in sorting or grouping, sort by family. Okay, and header, blank line. See, now it is very easy for us. Now in count, in formatting, just select the count and cost. What you can do, just calculate total. Okay, but it is not showing. Why? Count and cost. Okay, actually your problem is what, when I have in sorting and grouping, sort, we have not checked the footer na. Okay, now you will get, see, so total laboratory in our project, rectangular type laboratory, we have 11. Okay, whatever market price you have to write down each laboratory price. Okay, next thing, pipe connector for domestic cold water, generally we have to place in which the flexible pipe is connected. Okay, so their quantity is written here, total 15. Water closet flush tank type 6, water closet flush wall type we have 9. Okay, so in this way you can go for this one. plumbing fixture schedule. So in this way, generally we have to calculate the material takeoff for material takeoff quantity for plumbing fixture. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.